as like to every day new for us. If you learn about that lessons are there, which points are remaining, any situation, up to phase of first unit test, I want to cover that points, which are this. Once again I write the name of lesson, electrics, current electricity. And magnetism. So what that points which you learn now, is it interested? Each and every day you want to give something new criteria. Today what you learn. But before reaching to that new concept, I want to tell those points which are already completed. Within a short duration I want to cover them. When you study, first of all they ask question for you. Which are the constituents of atom? After one giving 3 examples, we learn about electrostatic level, PD, potential difference. After one we study about electromagnetism. After one we learn 3 different cells which are used for human welfare. Which are this? First of all dry cell, second of all which lead acid cell, and third of all nickel cadmium cell. These 3 cells are remaining. Those points which are learned now carefully. This which are this first of all. Today we can discussing one important nature. It is known as electric value. Sir, what do you mean by electric values? I have no idea. Is myself output from this? That's why those important construction mechanism, those are the well-known machinery part which are present in electric bulb. Just remember. Suppose that in your mind I can take one iron strip. How bell can be constructed? Which are the mechanical parts? How they are useful for human brain power? I know very well if any person, any guest which can be stand outside from your house, that time he first of all strike bell. But that bell or temple bell or any one bells which are provided for us, how they are made? Man using how much power to show their machinery part with each other. That's why first of all construction for us. Sir, these are the 2 iron strips. These iron strips can be connected by using copper wire connecting wire. Just see, remember. I want to make electromagnet for that iron strips. Which are those iron strips which you are selected, these are not showing magnetism. As soon as connecting wire can be enveloped, it is in the form of solenoid. Number of coils of wire, if it is turned around copper wire, that piece of wire become a magnetism. Because of I do that construction. If I do that construction, that can be charged less high place battery. If I place battery, that time second up, I can replace one iron strip. One contact screw. These are the coils which can be connected by using copper wire. It becomes a magnetism. It is known as electromagnetism. Why? Magnetism induced. Already they are not showing magnetism. When you start electric currents are there, that time coil which are present ground inside them, that time it become a electromagnet. After one I take a contact screw. What is this contact screw? Those screws which can be attached by joint with each other. It has capacity to come with and also why come? If it is electromagnets are there, that time those contact screws which is aside from them, it closely towards them. Why? Property of magnetism. Magnet, those are in front of you, it has capacity to attract every object towards himself. That's why that contact screw near to him. When electric current pass through this. Is it one? That time it is not singular. Again it can be put in iron strip and also stripe. After one there is also bond. See student, what? Second part which can be not seen only, there is a contact screw, iron strip and stripe. 3 parts can be co-joined with each other to say As soon as electric current fall to them, that time it can be hammer on them. If it is hammer, we heard a sound. Why? It become electromagnet. If electromagnets are there, that time quantums will come near to them. As soon as it comes, it can be hang on that gong. That time we heard a sound. That are the real mechanism which can be possessed by well. But sir, I stop electric current. If I stop electric currents are there, that time coil which act as electromagnet, it destroys some magnetism. If it destroys magnetism, that time that quantum screw away from this, that time it does not. If certain types of situation, day by day, not day by day, minute, second, covers are there, that time we heard sound. Just remember, mind which point can be here. Iron strip connecting copper wires, certain types of connecting C, and that which are present with each other. Quantum screw, iron strip, and stripe. When it become electromagnet, that time that magnetic property attain on that quantum screw reaches to the hang on that, strike on that, hammer on that. As soon as they hammer, we heard a sound. These are the mechanism of electric bell. Electric bell is a simple mechanical apparatus, but it shows that I can carry because of both electric current as well as magnetism. That's why he says that as soon as I start electric current, I produce magnetism inside me. If magnetisms are there, those apparatus which are kept in front of me come towards, I strike around gone. We heard sound. Certain types of function carry out and out. That time we heard continuous formation. This is known as electric bell. These are the working, these are the technique, these are the method, these are the procedure to carry electric bell. But